Winter is coming, and that only reminds me of one thing: a bowl of hot soup. Everyone loves a nice bowl of soup, and whether you prefer it chunky or super smooth, a soup maker can prepare perfect soup in no time. So, having a soup maker will bring revolution in your kitchen in terms of the soup making process, while eliminating the hassle out of cooking. Just simply pop your ingredients into the jug, sear if required, add the stock, and the soup maker will do the rest. You really couldn't ask for a quicker and more consistent result than a soup maker. After researching a wide range of soup makers, we've gathered the best 5 soup makers for you that will provide you consistently excellent soup making experience for your complete satisfaction.
At Kitchen Gadget Zone, we are food enthusiast people and love to play with different kitchen tools. We test, analyze, and research innovative kitchenware and gadgets to create a shopping guide for every category based on price, quality, feature, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice.
Create your favorite combinations of flavor-packed soup at the touch of a button with the VonShef Jug Soup Maker, a compact appliance for your smart kitchen that lets you make flavorful soup at home. This soup maker comes with 3 different blending options that allow you to make a delicious soup with your preferred consistency, from chunky to smooth, without any hassle. With a capacity of 56 ounces, this soup maker is not the biggest one of its kind, but contains a pretty good amount of soup for small families. Equipped with an 800-watt powerful motor, the VonShef Soup Jug can make your favorite soup in as little as 25 minutes, so you don't have to waste any time while making the soup. It offers built-in safety control that prevents overspill to ensure your kitchen counter remains clean and mess-free, while its anti-dry feature keeps your soup maker burnt-free all of the time. The VonShef Jug Soup is a compact soup maker that allows doing much more than soup making, which makes it worthy to invest your hard-earned money. The Total Control Soup Maker by Morphy is a fantastic kitchen appliance that can make the soup making process easier and make enough soup for the correct number of servings. With 3 different settings for smooth, medium, or chunky soup, this soup maker lets you prepare your soup as you want and ensure a delicious bowl every time. It has a unique portion control setting, which lets you choose up to 4 portions of soup, making sure you always have enough soup and minimize wastage. This soup maker offers 9 preset functions that enable anyone to make soup easily, even if you're a novice, and its smart response technology delivers consistent results every time. With reheat and keep warm functions, the Total Control Soup Maker allows you to have your delicious soup at a time that suits you without worrying about its quality. This soup maker features a 1.6-liter stainless steel jug that can be completely removed from the machine for easy cleaning. It also includes a pre-clean function, which rinses the jug after use, making cleanup afterward a breeze. If you're looking for a programmable and smart soup maker, then you should pick the Morphy Total Control Soup Maker without a second thought. Your easy-to-use one-pot soup solution is here. Meet the Drew & Cole Soup Chef, an outstanding kitchen appliance that can maximize the delicious flavors of your soup. With 1.6 liters of capacity, you can easily make soup for 5 family members just within 19 minutes, which can significantly improve your cooking experience. Equipped with a 240-watt motor, this soup maker comes with 4 cooking functions, enabling you to cook various types of food in a breeze. After being finished, this soup maker will pulse heat throughout the soup so it will remain delicious and hot for up to 2 hours. This dishwasher-safe soup maker comes with an auto-clean function, so by pressing the button and simply adding a drop of detergent and water into it, you can unleash its cleaning potential. Boasting with impressive performance, the Drew & Cole Soup Chef is a fantastic soup maker that can quench your family's soup thirst effortlessly. Save time in the kitchen with the TEFAL Easy Soup Maker, a clever kitchen appliance that makes tasty homemade soups and more in a snap. It offers an easy-to-use control panel with 5 automated programs that allow you to complete the whole process in just 2 simple clicks, and provides quick and consistent results all the time. This soup maker has stainless steel blades inside the lid that ensure thorough blending, while its smoothie program runs without heating, which makes great nutritious summer cocktails. Made of high-quality polished stainless steel, the Easy Soup Jug is double wall insulated to keep your food hot when it's finished cooking. It comes with an audible indicator and will beep 3 times to let you know that your food is ready, so now you don't have to worry about the cooking time. Featuring an automatic cleaning program for fuss-free cleaning, you just have to fill the jug with water and then select Easy Cleaning and click Start. Wait 2 minutes and the cleaning is done. Easy by name and by nature, the TEFAL Easy Soup Maker is a smart kitchen appliance with lots of features that provide a perfect soup making solution in your kitchen. Enjoy fresh and healthy soup at home whenever you want. Meet the Philips Soup Maker, an innovative gadget that can make perfect and tasty soup with your favorite ingredients in your kitchen. With 1.2 liters of capacity, this automatic soup maker lets you make soup for your family, which can be served as the main course for 2 people and as an appetizer for 4 people comfortably. It offers 6 preset programs such as puree, chunky soup, cold soup, and many more with the simple press of a button, allowing you to make a variety of soups depending on your family favorites. Packed with a 1,000-watt motor, this kitchen appliance lets you make delicious, perfectly textured goodness within just 18 minutes. Thanks to its optimized heating profile, you can easily make milk-based soup without being worried about the burning. The Philips Soup Maker is a beautifully designed gadget that ensures quality soup making to enhance your user experience. So, that was all about the best 5 soup makers for your own kitchen. Thank you for watching our video. Like, comment, and share if you found the video helpful. And subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this.